Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Thank you for tuning into this video. A lot of people have been asking me about stocks, the stock market. Do I invest into stocks? And I actually do. This video is going to explain the two places that I invest into stocks and how you can sign up and actually earn free stocks from just signing up. This is definitely the most beginner type of stock market video I can make because I'm going to be sharing two very easy places to invest into and also explaining the benefits between both. So before we start, make sure to smash the like button, make sure you subscribe for new because I do post daily videos. So a lot of people like to invest, and this channel's focused around precious metals. Well, what if I told you you can actually invest into gold and silver from a digital form in the stock markets? Well, that's what Robinhood and Cash App can do. Now, I'm not paid, I'm not sponsored by them. This is just the two easiest places that I've found since I started getting into this several months ago. These are the two most beginner, easy places. Now, Robinhood is more for your marginal trading, more for your serious. It's more of it's an intermediate to beginner type of application. Now the link will be in the description for Cash App and for Robinhood. So if you are looking to trade, get into some more serious trading, or you want to learn on a more advanced level, Robinhood is more for you. Robinhood also offers cryptocurrency. So a lot of people are looking into cryptocurrency or want to trade cryptocurrency. They also have gold and cryptocurrency on their app as well. Cash App actually does as well, but Cash App is much more for a beginner level. Cash App, you can literally just sign up and start investing into Bitcoin, and this is actually where I buy my Bitcoin from because it's instant. In Cash App, you can send money to and from your friends and family instantly, and it instantly goes into your bank account, where other accounts like Venmo or somewhere else might take a couple hours to a couple days, and there could be a fee. See, Cash App is very convenient. I see myself using this app on a day-to-day basis with my Bitcoin, with my stock markets, and with money, just with sending money to and from. If I buy Starbucks for someone and they want to pay me back, I tell them Cash App me. So I definitely see these as very functional and productive and convenient, easily accessible, very easily maintainable applications. I would definitely recommend these two. If someone was to ask me, I want to get it started investing in the stocks, I would say download Cash App or Robinhood, depending on, how serious they want to take it. If you're just looking to make if you want a very simple, down to earth application to start investing in the stocks, where you literally just click McDonald's, you click Tesla, you click Apple, you buy it, and it's in your account, then go with Cash App. But if you're looking to, maybe trade these stocks in between on a day-to-day basis, go with Robinhood. That's the best advice I can give you. Both of the links will be in the description. They are affiliate links, so when you sign up with Cash App, I get $5 and you get $5. If you sign up with Robinhood, I get a free stock and you get a free stock. So there's benefits to signing up with both. Maybe sign up for both of them, use both of them, get the free stock and get the $5. There's definitely pros and cons. I think Robinhood's going to take a little more time to learn. There's a little more of a learning curve with Robinhood because Cash App is just so easy and so straightforward. Even a 10-year-old can do it. But that comes with benefits though, because if you do learn how to marginal trade, if you do learn how to trade between these stocks, you can earn more money with Robinhood that way. Whereas Cash App, it's mainly for buying and holding. Now, let's go into some stocks that I like. I like, Tesla, Apple. I'm definitely investing into those. Here, let me check my list actually. So I'm checking my list right now. I have Tesla, Roku, Amazon, Microsoft, Visa, Nike, Apple, General Electric, Disney, and I think there's some more on there. Now Tesla is obvious because they're going into the EV era. Every car in 20, 30 years is going to be an electric vehicle, right? Every single car is going to be an EV. We're going into that era, and Tesla is definitely one of the biggest. They make huge gains. Roku every single Roku's taking over. Roku, every single TV that's going to be sold from Walmart is going to have Roku installed into it. So Roku is going to be definitely taking over. Amazon is a huge company because they're building low-flying satellites. Is going to give internet to the entire world. Amazon is also having the smart cart where you can shop around with your groceries and walk out the door, and it already scans the amount of groceries in the cart for you, so you don't have to go to a cash register. Very important. Microsoft, for obvious reasons. Nike and Apple. Apple's obviously taking over. The new iPhones. They're building new things, interfaces into them, and and it's very obvious to which companies you want to invest into. If you're looking for a company like Neo, which is a small car company coming out of China, but they are EV as well, it could be the next contender with Tesla. You could buy their stocks for very, very cheap, and then hopefully in a couple of years from now, it's a huge car company, and you can make that huge fortune like buying Bitcoin at $20, and then Bitcoin gets up to $17,000. If you want to find an option like that. So there's definitely benefits and rewards if you just pay attention. It's very easy. Pay attention, read the news, which companies are doing what, and it go from there. If it's just like when I found out Amazon was building the low-flying satellites, it's going to give internet to the entire world, I knew right then Amazon is going to be a very serious stock for long term. Same with Tesla, or same with Roku. When I heard that they're building the TVs and their Walmart TVs are already going to have Roku installed into them, everyone's going to be using Roku. I already use Roku myself right now to watch my Netflix and Hulu. So that's a serious thing. Now, when you want to differentiate between stocks, cryptocurrency, and precious metals, there are benefits between each. See, stock markets is more from a day-to-day standpoint, right? Stock markets is more for your day-to-day checking. Maybe you want to trade some for this or this for that, and you need to be, careful with that because it still is pegged to the US dollar. Now, the US dollar is crashing, right? It's failing. So precious metals are the smartest alternative. I always say invest into precious metals because gold and silver are physical, they're physical assets, right? Stock markets is all digital, but precious metals is physical. Now, you can invest into ETFs, exchange traded funds, and you can invest into the stock market form of gold and silver, but it still isn't just the same. If you can't hold it, you don't own it. Now, I sound contradicting because I'm telling you why, but diversification is key. I diversify myself. I invest a little bit into stock markets, I invest a little bit into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and I invest a little bit into precious metals. Now, the majority of my portfolio is precious metals, but stock markets is a great way to boost your portfolio and get some returns because let's put the facts out there. Gold and silver is a much more slow-paced market. It's a more bear market, right? So if you're looking to really find something that can fit you, we can talk about that. If you are looking to invest for the shorter term, then stocks are definitely your go-to. Stocks like Amazon, Tesla, they can go up several percent in a day or two. You can invest $100 and within a couple of days already be 3% up on your investment, where precious metals is a much slower hedge against inflation. Now, cryptocurrency is down right now as well, but that also goes up like stocks, percentage-wise. Sometimes you can see Bitcoin up 6-7% in a day. And if you're investing a lot of money, that's a lot of return. And then you can just go out right there. So there's definitely benefits that come along with each one of these investments. If you are if you're looking to invest for the longer term, a long hauler, then you would probably be best off investing into precious metals. That's a long-term hedge against inflation. This is where you can preserve your wealth against the deflating dollar, because what you can buy with right now is, $1,000 right now in US dollars, and then put $1,000 in precious metals. In 10 years from now, what you can invest with the precious metal side will be drastically more, because not only will the spot value have potential to go up, but also the coins appreciate themselves. So you can see how, depending what your strategy is, what your goals are, what your exit strategy is, what your buying time frame is, your selling time frame is, your resources, it can depend upon which is investing for you. So like I said, Cash App and Robinhood are definitely the best places to start investing into stocks. Cash App is more straightforward. If you want to invest, you could get $5 for signing up under my link, and I will get $5 as well. Or you can choose Robinhood, and you can get a free stock, I think up to $500, and then you can go that route and really start learning how these markets work, and you can make a lot of money, especially if you learn how to use the app accordingly. So with that said, I'm going to wrap this video up here. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. Let me know, do you invest in stocks? Are you thinking about it? What are some of the things that come to mind if you do think about stocks? Do you think that they're a waste of time? Do you think there's potential there, but you just don't understand it? Because I can make some tutorial videos teaching you how to do this, as I'm pretty new myself. I'm still getting into the swing of things, but these are definitely, from a beginner standpoint, as me starting off, these were definitely the two apps that you want to use if you want to start off. So anyways, thanks for tuning into this video. I hope this video helped you start your journey into the world of stocks, cryptocurrency, or precious metals, and I hope I made it easy and entertainable, enjoyable, or just informational. So on that front, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Like I said, the two links will be in the description if you want to check them out yourself. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.